The new season of Ex on the Beach premieres March 31st, and HollywoodLife has an exclusive preview of the series premiere. The drama gets underway very quickly. Gantt just put his foot in his mouth in this exclusive preview of the Ex on the Beach Season 5 series premiere. Ray reveals to the group that he's had sex with one of his best friends, but his ex does not know that. He adds, "It was not during the time I was in a relationship. It happened after we broke up." Devon Rogers knows this was not a good move by Ray. There's no way this will end well. Devon knows that Ray's ex is going to swear that there were feelings between Ray and the best friend before he was single. Ray continues, "She can't really be mad at me cause I was single at the time and there was nothing going on during the actual relationship." Suddenly, a woman's screams are heard. Ray's ex just heard everything he said. The rest of the cast knows it's about to go down. The conversation began with Aris asking where is the wildest place everyone has had sex. "These types of questions make me realize I haven't lived," Devon admits. "The relationship that I told you guys about really broke me. That relationship took up from 19 to 26, so I didn't get to experience having a wild side and being out here and doing this and exploring and having adventures." She goes on to say that she's only had sex with one person and it was her ex. As for David Barta, he's come on Ex on the Beach to get to know myself better and accept myself more. He opens up about his ongoing journey when it comes to his sexuality. "Big thing that's going on or has been going on for me behind closed doors really the past year and a half or so has been my sexuality and kind of figuring out where I lie at the end of the day. I'd like to hope that there's someone out there, whether it's a guy or a girl, who will just love me for who I am." In this 12-hour-long episode season, romantically embattled reality stars navigate the excitement and heartbreak of romantic relationships with old lovers and new prospects while constantly being blindsided by the surprise arrival of their exes. As ex-lovers wash ashore, the daters will have to decide whether to rekindle a past flame or move on for good. Singles this season include Ray Gantt, Love Island, Devon Rogers, Big Brother and The Challenge, Bryce Hirschberg, Too Hot to Handle, David Barta, Paradise Hotel, and more. The series will air Thursdays at 8 p.m. on MTV.